Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man Smooth Marky, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys 5 absolutely amazing tips and tricks you probably did not know you could do in Minecraft. That's right guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys 5 absolutely amazing tips and tricks you probably did not know you could do in Minecraft. It's going to be amazing. So starting off with the first tip, guys, I'm actually going to be teaching you guys how to properly dispose of really bad gifts. Now in my case, my friend actually decided to give me this bed, and as you can see, it looks like somebody pooped on this bed and then threw it in the garbage, and then my friend went and picked it out of the garbage and decided to give it to me as a gift. And there's no way I'm gonna sleep on this poopy brown bed. So if you guys ever find yourself in this situation, the first thing you want to do is you want to locate a nether, because that's actually where we're going to be disposing of this really bad gift. So after you have successfully located a nether where you can dispose of the bad gift, now you just want to look around and you want to make sure you don't see your friend anywhere, because the only thing that's worser than getting a bad gift is making a friend angry, because then he'll probably clog your toilet. That's probably what he'll do, guys. So after you have looked around, you haven't spotted your friend, now you just want to go ahead and you want to break the bed really quick, pick it up, run it over to the nether, and slam dunk that poopy brown bed right into the nether. And now we will never see that bad gift again. But the good thing about throwing gifts in the nether is if your friend actually comes back and asks you for the gift back, you can always go back into the nether and actually get the gift and give it to your friend. Although in this case, I'm not going to do that, guys. But another really good way to dispose of unwanted items is to throw them into cactuses. That's right guys, you can throw unwanted items into cactuses and they will be gone forever. I mean forever. So let's say I want to get rid of my puffer fish, which I don't know why I would ever want to get rid of my puffer fish, because they're really beautiful, they make really good house pets, and I really love puffer fish. But let's say I want to get rid of them. All I would do is throw them right into the cactuses, and oh my god, look at their beautiful faces as they go into the cactuses. No! That makes me really sad, guys, because I really love puffer fish. I just hope they made it to cactus heaven and they're swimming in the cactus juices and they're just having a really good time. That actually does sound like a really good time. Maybe I should go, but until I go to cactus heaven, I'm gonna get revenge by throwing cactuses into a cactus. That's right, guys. Wow, this is probably the most evilest thing I've ever done. Wow. I cannot believe I just did that. Now this cactus is probably really mad. Or maybe it's really hungry for the taste of cactus. And it might devour every single cactus it sees. Maybe that was my evil master plan, to get rid of all the cactuses. No, it's probably just angry at me. That's why I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another amazing tip. Now, if you guys play on parkour maps, you're probably used to these one gap jumps. They can be really frustrating to jump over, guys. Like, I hate doing it because it takes so much time and it's really tedious, guys. But what if I told you there's a way just to run right over the gaps? Just run, like, right over the gaps. Well, there is, guys. All you want to do is back up just a little bit, guys. Just a little bit. You ain't even got to back up that much. And then you want to drink a potion of swiftness. And now you just want to run like the wind. Run really fast, guys. Really, really fast. And you should make it to the other side. Wow, that was amazing. That was so amazing. I'm going to do it again, guys. Wow. Oh my God. We actually made it again. Wow. Every time I do that, guys, it gives me such a rush. I love doing it, guys. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. And I can guarantee you that will win you a lot of parkour races, guys. Wow, I really love doing that, guys. But another tip I have for you guys is actually a fence tip. That's right, guys. I'm going to teach you guys how to keep your animals inside the fence and zombies and creepers outside the fence. So all you want to do is put the fence down how you'd usually put it. Just leave a 1-block entrance and go ahead and put your fence down how you would usually put it down, guys. Usually my fence is lopsided, so don't judge me, guys. I'm not the best fence layer, but I think this one's actually going to turn out pretty good, guys. Wow. Maybe I am a good fence layer. Maybe that should be my next job. But after you put your fence down, now you just want to go ahead and spawn your animals inside the fence. I'm spawning a bunch of pigs because I really love pigs and I think they love me too. And oh my God, are you guys leaving me? You're not going to leave me, are you? You love me, don't you? Get back in there. Get back in there, pig. You love me. Oh my God, they're leaving me. It's time to activate the cobblestone wall. Get back in there, pig. Boom. There we go. Now we can get inside the fence, but they can't get out of the fence. Watch this, guys. I can just walk straight through and meet up with all my pigs. But they can't get out. And zombies and creepers and all the mobs can't get in either. What do you think about it, pig? Do you feel safe? You don't feel safe because I can still get in? And you're afraid I'm going to turn you into a sandwich? I'm really feeling a Reuben sandwich right now, but you know what? I'm not going to do that to my pigs because they're my friends. They're my family, guys. But another really good tip I have for you guys actually has to do with TNT. Now, usually you just light your TNT with a flint and steel, and then it blows up really, really quick. Boom! Oh, and it actually took that pig out because he didn't have time to get away. But watch this, guys. If I actually go ahead and put this TNT down and then light a fire next to it, watch this, guys. Watch how slow this blows up. Boom! Oh, it still took out a pig, but it blew up really slow. Watch, guys. I'm about to compare the two. Now, if I go ahead and put both of these TNTs down and then light a fire in front of this one and then light this one up, watch, guys. Watch. Boom! That one blowed up really quick, guys. And wow, is that one even going to blow up? Oh, it finally blew up, guys. And that is a game changer because if you're trying to blow up somebody's house, you will be able to get out of their house before the TNT blows up. But I'm going to show you guys another tip that I have. All you're going to need is smooth stone slabs and netherrack, guys. That's all you're going to need. And then you just want to go ahead and you want to dig a hole right into the ground, guys. And then put netherrack in the ground. And then put smooth stone slabs right around the netherrack. And then light it up with a flint and steel. Boom! There you go. Now you have a campfire. What do you think about it, Wolf? Do you like it? I like it. I really do like it. And I also like to keep my buns nice and toasty. I love toasty buns. These feel really, really good right now. Like, my buns are loving this campfire right now. And I'm loving it because my buns are loving it. And oh my God, my buns are smoking. Oh my God. I think I got my buns a little too hot, guys. Just a little too hot. I think they was starting to catch on fire, guys. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and most importantly, smash that red subscribe button. And until next time, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.